What you want? We go buy banana?
Yes.
Then I have no money. Where's the money?
I buy money.
Where's the money?
I buy money.
This bag money. Where's bag?
Buy.
Mama bag?
Hmm.
Mama, no money, baby. Where's the money? Where's the money?
This.
Where?
This.
What you want to buy?
Buy this.
What you want to buy?
Buy this.
Buy what? What you want to buy?
I buy. I buy this one.
Ah, this bag. Huh? 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 Check there. Check. You check if have money. Where's the money there?
Money.
Yeah. Where's the money? This money? What to buy this? What to buy? We go buy what?
Buy this.
Huh? Where? What we buy? What you want?
Banana.
Banana. You want to eat banana?
Hmm.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
buy banana.
We buy banana?
Yes.
Okay, we go buy.
Yes. And up. Banana.
Okay, we go buy banana. Buy Buy.
Banana.
Show me. What's inside there? What is this?
Banana.
And
Banana.
pineapple. See? Jennifer buy banana and pineapple.
Eat.
Now,
Eat.
rice and fish and banana. Okay. Go bring there in the kitchen. Put there on the table. Mama, wash the banana. No, 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 no. Wash the banana first. Banana is dirty, okay? Wash your hand also. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Wash hand. Oh, kapti na yung dalato. Let's go wash hand. Go wash hand. Let's go wash hand. Kaya mait na ta. Where's your plate? Sit na din. Come. Hey, put it back. Put it there. Mama, give you fish. Wait.
Please. Please.
Wait. Put.
Please.
Hot Pablo, anay. We have galongkong fish. Jennifer, you also need to eat rice. You want only fish? Hmm? Sit properly. Sit na. Kaya lang fish na oh. Eat ng fish.
Mga atil.
Hmm? Estoy go? Tito, estoy go to work. Fish. Eat fish.